Today I will tell you perpendicular distance of a point, reflection image of a point, foot of perpendicular in three-dimensional geometry. We take an example. Suppose we have to given a straight line whose equation is x by 1, y minus 1 by 2, z minus 2 by 3, and this is the given point P 1, 6, 3. We have to find out perpendicular distance of a point from this line and image of this point taken line as a mirror. Suppose Q is the image, L is the foot of perpendicular, we know that any point on the given line x by 1, y minus 1 by 2, z minus 2 by 3 taken as a k, x equal to k, y equal to 2k plus 1, z equal to 3k plus 2. This is the coordinate of the point L. Now we find out the direction ratio of the PL, direction ratios dr of PL using the formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. As we know, this is the direction ratio of the joint of the 2 points. Taken x1, y1, z1 as this and L taken as the x2, y2, z2. Therefore, the dr of this line k minus 1 2k plus 1 minus 6 3k plus 2 minus 3, that is k minus 1, 2k minus 5 and 3k minus 1. Since this line and PL are the perpendicular to each other, therefore to obtain the value of k, we apply the condition of perpendicularity. As you know, the condition of perpendicularity is given as the a1 a2 b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0 as in usual notation. K minus 1 into 1 plus 2 times of 2k minus 5 plus 3 times of 3k minus 1 equal to 0. Solving this, we get k equal to 1. Put this value here, we get the coordinate of L is 1, 3, 5 and this is the foot of the perpendicular. This is the foot of the perpendicular. Now for image, L taken as a midpoint, we use the relation x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2, then x plus 1 by 2, this is equal to coordinate of L. x1 plus x2 by 2, this will equal to 1, y plus 6 by 2, this is equal to 3, and z plus 3 by 2, this is equal to 5. Therefore, we obtain the point x, y, z as (1, 0, 7). This is the coordinate of the image. Coordinate of the image. Now for perpendicular distance, we have to find out the PL distance using the relation x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. We have know the coordinate of L as 135. So we obtain the perpendicular distance PL, which is equal to under root 13 when we put this value on this formula. This is very simple question for this article. Please understand this. I will repeat it again. Please see carefully. We have to find out the reflection of a point 163 taken this line as a mirror. First of all, we find out any point on this line. This is this, and then we obtain the direction ratios of the line PL using this formula, and we get this. Now PL is perpendicular to the given line, then we apply the condition of perpendicularity, this, to obtain the value of K. This will equal to 1. Put this value here, we obtain the value of coordinates of L, that is 135. Now for image is L is the midpoint. Therefore, using the relation x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2 equal to L, और इसको यहाँ पर रख के हम यहाँ पर Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स ये निकालेंगे. Similarly, to obtain the distance PL, we have known the coordinate of L and P using the relation x2 minus x1 whole square and so on. Therefore, PL becomes under root 30. Okay. Okay, sir.